Hello YouTube. It is Thursday the 11th, I believe, and it is Veterans Day. First of all, I'd like to start out by thanking all of our veterans, and I hope everybody has a great day today. And we're back up at the house site. I told you I'd come up here one more time. Today's goal was just to try to get as much of this stuff into a consolidated pile and get it covered up as much as we can with the old case. Eventually I'll have to rent probably a skid steer on tracks. Would probably be better. And we're going to get this other fuel tank moved. They drain most of the fuel out of it. There's probably about a little bit in the bottom, so we can pick this tank up out of here. And I'm going to start at this end, digging out the rest of the block and trying to move everything forward into that pile, and then we'll pull that hillside down over it. And this tree's got to come down. That'll be one of our first things. Get this tree laying down, then I can get this side of the foundation collapsed and start backfilling. There's a little bit of metal left here and there. They have to be plucked out, and it's just more or less clean up. It's not a big job right now, but the bulk of it's over, and I just want to get this nightmare behind me. So we'll keep you posted as we go along here today. And just one of them crazy videos, just stuff that goes on in my life. And I'm glad you like the sawmill video so much, but there are times I have to do other things, and this would have been a beautiful day to be milling logs, but this needs to be taken care of. So we'll talk to you here in a bit. Alrighty, it's been a couple hours since I talked to you last, and the tree's gone, fuel tank's gone, and I'm just shifting the rubble further and further up into here. And it's a slow and tedious process, but it's the only way to really do this thing right, to get rid of all the small voids, and that way you don't have so much settling. So I'm just keep shifting this up a little bit at a time here, and then there's a big knob of dirt right here that I can use for the backfill, and eventually I'll push this up into there. And it's happening. It just happened a little bit slow, but if I had an excavator it'd be different. But this is what you do when you own something that's old. You just take your time. And this is the whole bump out where that this is where the basement door I went in to show you the fire, and this is all that's left of it. We found all the original foundations, so we're down to the bottom, and I'm trying to break up as much of this stuff as I can. And boy, when they put mortar in something, they mortared it up good. And a little bit of debris trying to bury it in, but we'll give you one more shot here before we're done. And I'm really not filming anything running equipment because it's just not feasible today. So we'll talk to you in a bit. All right, it is 12:30, and I didn't start the backhoe up until around 8:30. So got a lot accomplished today, and I blew another hose. So the curse of the old house is not done yet, but it's another one of them hoses that's in really a bad place. Got one stump to take out eventually, and just keep mixing it with dirt and breaking it up with the bucket, and pretty much this is what you end up with when it's all done. Just a bunch of debris. And no one's going to probably build on this actual site because it's too close to the road anyhow. So I'm going to taper this yard down over this. You won't even be able to tell that there was a house here. And the old case did very well today, except for one casualty. I can't complain. Slowly I'm changing all the hydraulic oil, but it's right back in there again. So I got to get a hold of my buddy Gus and get a crow's foot. And the other side of it is the quick connect that goes into the backhoe. It's the Power Beyond valve. So then all this dirt mound that I'm standing on right here will go right back over top of all this debris, and that'll be it. We can call this chapter over. So we would have had it just about licked today, but the case wanted to have a little bit of time off on Veterans Day. So All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this stupid little video, but this is what goes on in my life besides sawmilling with the Eddie Horvath. So we got a lot of walnut to continue cutting here, so we'll go ahead and keep you going on the sawmill and eventually back in the shop. So everybody have a great Veterans Day, and thank everybody for your service again, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.